evening everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Twinkle Kwatra from IMA Law College and currently a legal intern at Lexis and Company, and today the topic that I am going to start is laws regarding live-in relationship. So let's just discuss what is the meaning of live-in relationship. So it is a line that it is better to live in a live-in relationship rather than having a divorced life. So it is a line that is favoring a live-in relationship, or a person who or a couple that is here in the society that is living in a live-in relationship. It is a favorable line for them, but there are so many countries that are opposed of this live-in relationship. The concept of live-in relationship came from the Western countries, and these Western countries validates the concept of live-in relationship, but the Eastern countries doesn't validate this concept, and there are many controversies in the Eastern countries. So the legal definition for live-in relationship is an arrangement of living under which the couple which are unmarried live together to conduct a long-going relationship similarly as a marriage. It means that there is a couple who decide to live together and they live together as they are married, but they are unmarried couples. So these there are some part in the society or in our country that oppose these concept of live-in relationship. So let's just understand what is the mentality behind this live-in relationship. So we know that marriages are of two types, that is arranged marriage and love marriage, but we don't know that after marriage the couple will get compatible, or will what will be the life after marriage. So maybe this is the reason that people wants to live in together before getting married. But the question is here that if there is a concept of love marriage, why people are opting for live-in relationship rather than doing love marriage? So the answer can be different according to the different mentality of the people. Some people thinks that they need some time together before getting married, so that they can understand each other and can find their compatibility level, because if they will be found incapable or incompatible regarding each other after marriage, then they have to compromise and they have to live their life with sacrifices. Second reason could be that people think that their relationship cannot be certified by a paper or by any social drama. That is why the people want to live in a live-in relationship. So let's just discuss need of a modern world. So we need a modern world because there are so many traditional form or traditional people that do not do or do not want to support this live-in relationship whole concept of live-in relationship is not supported by any traditional form of people, because they don't find it according to their religion and social foundation. But the youth of the society is very attracted to this live-in relationship. So this traditional people should also think about it and should find any rational and original form, so that this live-in relationship can be uh, this live-in relationship can be done by the people, and they doesn't get any threat by some other people that you cannot live together, or it is an offense, because it is not an offense in India anymore, and people cannot be get threatened threats about this live-in relationship. And the traditional communities should understand that this concept has been legalized by India, and they should also support the concept and will have to support and make it original, so that the people that are in live-in relationship can get some healthy relationship and can live in society with dignity. So let's find the provision with regard to live-in relationship. First is that outside India, that means Western countries. Obviously they are the live-in concept is valid there, because the concept of live-in relationship has come from Western countries itself, and they validates that same-sex people can also live in together, and the different sex people can also live in together, and they can live in as a married couple, and they will get all the facilities like income tax, inheritance, housing, and social welfare. And the law introduced in 1999 in France makes provision for civil solidarity pacts allowing couple to live together. And also when couple live together, they can sign a contract in front of a court clerk, and anytime they can revoke that contract on bilateral or unilateral basis, but the notice have to be given to the another partner before 3 months. or the minimum time is 3 months. Now let's talk about India. So in India, that is a religious country and there are so many traditions. The people of the country are not satisfied with this live-in relationship, but the Supreme Court has legalized this live-in relationship and said that if two people that are unmarried and they want to live together, it is no offense. And the court also said that Lord Krishna also lived with Radha according to mythology, so it is no offense if two people wants to live together. Also, if the two people who are living together and have a child, that child will also be legitimate child. And also the woman who is in a live-in relationship can exercise Domestic Violence Act 2005 if she is facing from any domestic violence. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you have any doubt, you can comment me down below. And also keep liking, keep sharing, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.